Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Samsung voice input on your Samsung mobile device. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first go into your settings, and once you are in settings, find their general management, and here get into keyboard list and default. To find their Samsung voice input, you can enable that option or you can disable that option, and if that option is enabled, you can go into it, and there are a bunch of different options like keyboard language, voice input language, and there is also option to hide offensive words. You can hide them. Now it's hidden. You can disable that option to unhide offensive words if you want. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.